Please hear me, Father. Please hear my prayer. I'm calling once again. I'm asking you, oh Father, please give me one more chance. One more chance to bring forth from me the dream you gave me, Lord, to dream. The dream that's here in my spirit, God. The dream I dream when I'm awake. So I'm asking you, God, once again, let the dream that I know is your ministry, let it come forth. This place called Restoration Ranch, a place where light shines all the time, a place where grace, it never ends, a place where there is healing underneath your wings. Yes, help me, God, to listen clear and to do the things, God, that I hear, so you will give me one more chance to be used. In your mighty hands.